Hey guys, thanks for stopping in today to watch today's video, Selling Real Estate for Beginners Step by Step in 2020. Today's video is going to exploit 5 best practices that you can implement today for a success tomorrow. These are best practices that I've learned over the last 4.5 years in my real estate career. For those of you who don't know me, I started investing in real estate in 1999, took a break from it, and came back to it in 2015. And from there, I flipped over 7 houses and I built a portfolio as well as partnered in a brokerage. And now I have agents working for me that I also train and mentor. So today's video, again, is step-by-step basics for real estate agents new to the industry looking to rocket launch their careers. Okay, so let's get started. Step number 1, have a plan. Okay, this is something that's very easy for you to do. You can do this. It'll cost you maybe $10 for a case of 20 of these at Staples. It's your legal pad. And what you're going to do at night, you're going to keep this next to your nightstand. If you don't have a nightstand, just prop yourself up on a pillow, and I want you to write down what action you want to take for tomorrow. Are you going to make 50 calls? Are you going to door knock? Are you going to call all your friends and family for leads? Again, the lifeblood of our business is leads. Without the leads, sales do not come. You might get lucky from time to time, but if you want to propel your career, you're going to need to take action. And one of the best things that you can do is the night before, write down. There are also several other ways to do this. I like to use my Google Calendar from time to time. The night before, I'll sit up in bed and I'll map out my day and I'll put in appointments in my calendar and set alerts to remind myself. Am I going to meet a client for coffee? Am I going to go on a listing presentation? Am I going to charge up my agents in my office and fire them up for the day? Am I going to train for 30 minutes and implement that? So you really need to take action on this right away. Do not wait for the day of to map out what you're going to do. It's like this, guys. Maybe I can reach some of you out there a different way. It's like a ship without a course is lost at sea. Okay, makes sense. So you're going to need to implement this immediately. I guarantee if you stick with this for 30 days and adhere to it, you're going to see results and you're going to have greater success. Step number 2, it's following that action plan from the day before. Step number 2, very short topic. It's following through with that plan that you wrote the previous night. Repetition is the mother of all skill. I guarantee if you do this for 30 days, you're going to see the results and it's going to become a habit. Very easy topic. Number 3, need a system. I recommend mapping out on a legal pad. Go horizontal with it, and you can map out Monday, like a calendar. You got Monday, you got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Very simple. Hopefully that will zoom in on that. And slice and dice your day. 5 a.m., wake up, work out, have coffee. In the office at 8 a.m., dial between 8:30 and 12 p.m. Lunch, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Back in the office at 1 p.m., make some more phone calls. 1 p.m. to say 3 p.m. 3:30 to 4 p.m. train. Watch a video, read a book. Basic things you can do. It boils down to structure. That's what you need, structure. Time and time again, I see so many agents fail. Almost 1 out of 99. It's because they do not take actionable steps to follow through with. Number 4, know the property in the area. Pretty obvious things. If you don't know the area that you're selling, the comparables, the square foot, the fit and finish quality, you're not going to be a master at it. It's a basic thing. I sure hope that you're doing that. And number 5, my biggest pet peeve as a professional salesperson and real estate professional, asking for the sale. Time and time again, I see so many agents show properties and they never ask the buyer if they want to buy the property, equaling a sale. Nobody wins. There's no value exchange. You have to ask for the sale. You'd be surprised if you ask the question, geez, Mr. Buyer, what do you think? I like it. Great. Should we write an offer? Okay, there you go, guys. 5 very basic, actionable steps for beginners in real estate in 2020. I hope this video helps. If you like what you see, please come back. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. And please leave a comment. If you like this video, let me know. If you're looking for a different type of content, please let me know too, and I'll make a video on that. Hey, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. And as always, don't forget, if you like this type of content, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you on the next video.